Science and Technology organized a national showcase of technologies in Islamabad. More in the following report by our special correspondent Raza Khan.
Acting upon the directives of Federal Minister of Science and Technology Fawad Chaudhry, Ministry of Science and Technology, in collaboration with Pakistan Engineering Council, organized a national showcase of technologies in Islamabad for the prototypes, inventions, applications, technologies and solutions developed in the post-COVID-19 pandemic scenario by scientists, engineers, inventors and entrepreneurs in Pakistan.
When the Prime Minister spoke that engineers should come forward and they should build up the opportunities out of this whole COVID-19, and the Minister of the Science and Technology also gave us the assignment that we should have a broader meeting with all the universities. Number 1 was the ventilator, number 2 was the dress, number 3 was the helmet, number 4 was the goggles, and number 5 was the sanitizer as well. The cost of this product, which is now a ventilator cost, is over $50,000, $60,000 US. But when this product will be ready, its cost will not be more than $4,000.
I've been helping the government respond to COVID. So about a week back, we were asked to put together this show, and we have been working with a lot of innovators, researchers for the last 1 month. I had taken the minister to Silicon Valley, and when we came back, we were in the midst of this pandemic. So we started working with all these strategic organizations and a whole host of different innovators.
Our team is comprised of 2 doctors and 4 engineers, and we have designed this ventilator which can ventilate 1 patient but also up to 25 patients with individual settings for each patient, including PO2, FiO2, lung compliance, PEEP, minute ventilation. So it's a complete package for a field hospital.
The theme of the event was changing calamity into opportunity. A large number of stalls were put up to exhibit the products, inventions and new technologies made by both the public sector and private sector entities. Federal Minister for Science and Technology Fawad Chaudhry has spoken extensively about developing synergy between the public and private sector of Pakistan to overcome the post-COVID-19 pandemic, and that synergy was on display in the event.
Ministry of Science and Technology and Pakistan Engineering Council deserves credit for bringing together the brilliant minds from all across Pakistan as well as organizations under one roof for the initiative titled National Showcase of Technologies here in Islamabad. And what it shows is that if Pakistani nation comes together, then the calamities like COVID-19 can be tackled effectively. This is Raza Khan reporting for PTU World from Islam.
Ministry of Science and Technology organized a national showcase of technologies in Islamabad. Several key innovators and stakeholders from the public and private sector participated in it, and some of them spoke to PTV World.
It was all lockdown. It was no communication, and it was a very astounding task which was assigned to Pakistan Engineering Council to lead it for the country. There was a statement given to us that doctors are fighting on the war front. We would like to mention here that we gave them a message today that the force behind them is that of scientists and engineers.
Part of the COVID-19 national initiative, we have made an indigenous ICU patient monitoring system that includes a full-fledged ventilator and also a patient monitor. So this machine has been designed as such that you will have the latest features which are available anywhere in the world.
This is basically currency disinfection system, and it has been made by Electrical and Mechanical Engineers Battalion. The basic concept behind this system is that most of the transactions that are being taken place in Pakistan are cash-based. A study states that nearly 80% of the transactions are cash-based. So on the basis of that, we made a system that incorporates all 3 technologies to disinfect the nodes, which include UV light, disinfectant spray and heat treatment.
One of our scientists who's based in US, his name is Dr. Safas Khan Niazi. So he has been very kind to donate his patent of a product called Covanil, which is proven and is clinically tested against the current virus that is spreading. So we have been able to offer that to especially the highest grade security that healthcare workers need.
Mostly the coveralls of the isolation gowns available in Pakistan, you can't reuse those, and that comes out to be very expensive. Okay, so we have used this woven technology, which is we are using normal cotton and we are treating it with the polyurethane coating. So you can wash this 20 times.
Right now, we are presenting here one of the very important product developed by the Plastic, which is scientific portal, basically. And this portal is actually providing all the recent news technologies.
It was all locked down.